Hello everyone, let us today do my anti-acne skincare routine with Camry. All the products I am using here is particularly designed for acne-prone skin. So first of all, let me wash my face with oil control face wash. It's designed for acne-prone skin to reduce dark spot, which is enriched with salicylic acid, glycolic acid and niacinamide. Once the face wash is done, we'll apply the niacinamide serum, which helps to gain a flawless radiant skin and can act as an anti-aging formula. Now it's time for a sunscreen, which I'm applying here using 2-finger rule. It is also very important to use sunscreen even if you are at home and at least twice a day or in every 2 or 3 hours. Camry has specially designed water and sweat resistant mineral sunscreen gel having SPF 50 and PA++++. Once this is done, we are ready for the day. Now it's evening and it's time for the night skincare routine. So again, I'll apply this face wash to clean all the oil, dirt and impurity from my face. Once this is done, we'll apply the anti-acne face serum. This consists of 2% salicylic acid, which helps to reduce the active pimples. Do comment for any doubt and follow for more.